dolls. Today we are going to draw a peacock. It is a very simple type of beautiful bird. It's a beautiful type of bird. So follow along with me. You're going to grab a crayon, and I am going to be using a black crayon, but you can grab whatever colors in front of you. Okay? So we're going to start with the head of the peacock, okay? And we're going to start with a letter C. So go ahead and give me a letter C right here at the top of our paper, okay? A good letter C. Now we're going to do a shape that looks like a letter S. Okay, so we're going to go down and all the way over here. I guess it is like a backwards letter S. And then we're going to connect these two. Okay, so we're going to get this line and we're going to go all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Okay, very nice. And I am going to darken my line, not pushing too hard. Okay, we're going to give it a little beak. And we're going to go out and back in, out and back in. And I'm going to give it 3 little curls at the top. Peacocks have beautiful little curls on their head. And we're going to give them some, in our drawing, we're going to give them 3 beautiful little curls. So follow along with me. You're going to go around. Oh, excuse me. Gosh, my crayon. And there it is again. Okay, 2 and 1 more 3. Okay, guys. Okay, now we're going to start on the feathers. Okay, oh, almost forgot the little eyeball. So color in a little eye. We're just going to do a circle dot for an eye. And then we're going to start on the feathers. The feathers are going to be very simple teardrop shapes. So let's give them a few large ones for the peacock feathers, okay? Follow along with me. We're going to do one down. We're going to go around. We're going to come right back to that other end. Okay, we're going to do this a few times. So a down, around. We're going to come right back up. Okay? And we're going to go down, around, and right back up. Okay? And you see how there's little pieces of crayon there? We don't want to throw them at our friend. We just want to wipe them away. Okay? Very gently. Around. And then right back up. Around. And don't push too hard on those crayon bits or you're going to color your paper. And right back up. Very nice. Oh, yeah, I made a few marks on my paper too. So let's keep going. We're going to make some smaller ones. Also same shape. Around and right back up. 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 Around. And we're going to go one more. And that is the end of our drawing. Okay, very simple peacock drawing. And right now, if you're using crayon, you're going to color it in. And I look forward to seeing what you guys get done in your background. Where are you going to put your peacock? What are you going to draw around your peacock, okay? And I want you to use some blues and greens to color in your feathers and your peacock, okay, guys? Thank you so much.